Hey YouTubers, good morning, Robb Moffett. Guys, let's get right to it. This is my Garmin. The darn thing, it keeps breaking. This is the attachment that I would hook onto my air conditioner. Also, the attachments I've used to hook onto my rearview mirror would break, and I was finding it difficult to use in my car. So I decided to make something I could put on the dashboard, and I looked around my house and I found these old socks when I went to the hospital recently. They gave them to me, and they've got the really cool little rubber pieces so it doesn't slide. That's going to be perfect for putting on my dashboard. What I did is I filled one up with about 3 cups of rice. This is not wild rice. You don't want to be in trouble when the police stop you. This is just plain old parboiled rice. It's you can tie these, or you can use hot glue, or you can tape them, or you could sew them. I'm just using a piece of twine. You know, I'm a pretty simple guy, you know. And cool thing about twine, it's not that strong, but it does hold a knot pretty well. Now, just double it over twice. And this way you can open it back up if you have to. You might need that rice. You've got some beans. Now, we can fold it over real nice so it doesn't show. When you've got company in the car, you know, you're trying to put on a good show. You don't want them to think you're heathen. Pieces of string sticking out of your sock. I feel like I'm Martha Stewart. Yeah. Now, where's the Garmin? Let's go down to the car. You can see how well this is going to sit. Okay guys, that's pretty snug. I've also got it a little bit against the window there, but that rice makes a nice base, and it's heavy, and the rubber on the sock keeps it from sliding, so that's good to go. And you can angle it to wherever you want it. So I'm pretty happy. Also, this is easy to remove. You know, just put it under the seat or in the glove compartment. So this didn't cost anything, except might have been a gallbladder or a gallstone or a heart operation. That's all it cost me. So, you know, go get yours today. All right, guys. Hope this was helpful to you. I put on new videos every week. For 15 years, got over 1,000 videos, bunch of cool stuff. Every week, you never know what you're going to find, because I never know what I'm going to put on, and hope this was helpful to you. All right, guys, take care. See you out there.